Hello everyone, welcome to Trolleypart channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to send large videos on WhatsApp. Now the first thing you have to do is open WhatsApp. From here open any conversation. Now if you want to send any large video to this contact, just tap here, then go to document, then tap on browse documents. Here you can see videos option. If you cannot see videos option here, just tap on this icon. Now from here you can choose any type of large documents like images, videos, audio and other documents as you want. Then tap on videos, then tap on quick share. Here you can see a large file which is about 400 megabyte. Then tap here and give it a moment. Then tap on this send icon and give it a moment. And it's done. And that is how you can send large videos on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.